Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on Pixiv. You will click on settings, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Pixiv and you will click here on this page. You will go to this window of first stop and you will click OK. You will enter to storage. You will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget